Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about one 3D shape, that is a right circular hollow cylinder. Hollow means empty. So here right circular hollow cylinder means two cylinders connected each other. One cylinder, inside the cylinder is empty place. So to find volume of this hollow cylinder, so we need to know area of the base. Area of the base is circular ring. So area of the base is circular ring. To find area of the base equals to pi capital R1 square minus R2 square. Volume of prism is area of the base into height. So area of the base pi R1 square minus R2 square into height is h. So to find right circular hollow cylinder volume is pi into R1 square minus R2 square into h. So here R1 is outer circle radius, R2 is inner circle radius. Surface areas and volumes 13.3. Question number 4. Very easy question. A well of diameter 3 meters. So diameter of the well is given 3 meters. It is not radius, diameter. And height of the well is given 14 meters. So the people are digging the well and sand taken out from the sand from the well, and they are spreading evenly all around in the shape of circular ring. So here width of the circular ring is 4 meters. It forms embankment. Embankment is nothing but it's right circular hollow cylinder. So here embankment formed. So it is a brown color shape. So height of the embankment h meters. Width of the embankment 4 meters. So inner radius is 3 by 2 meters. Outer radius is nothing but inner radius plus width of the embankment. So 3 by 2 plus width of the embankment is 4 meters. So 3 by 2 plus 4 is 11 by 2 meters. So that is outer circle radius. So volume of sand equals to volume of cylinder up to h 14 meters equals to volume of sand formed embankment. So volume of cylinder equals to volume of embankment, nothing but volume of right circular hollow cylinder. So here I am substituting values. Pi into R1 square into H1, that is volume of cylinder. It is equals to volume of embankment. So pi into R2 square minus R1 square into H2. H2 is nothing but height of the embankment. So I am substituting values. Pi into 3 by 2 whole square into height of the well is 14 meters equals to pi into 11 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square into h, outer circle square minus circle radius square minus inner circle radius square into height. So pi get cancelled. 9 by 4 into 14 equals to 121 by 4 minus 9 by 4. 121 minus 9 is 112 by 4 into h. So h equals to 14 8s are 112. 4 gets cancelled denominators. H equals to 9 by 8. So 1.125 meters. So height of the embankment is 1.125 meters.